Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. It's Success with Velvet. I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk about the app called Zynn. I know I talked about it last time, but I didn't go into details about how you work the app and how you get paid and how long the payment takes. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe. Tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a couple of free gifts I want to give you. So let's get into it. Here we are in the Zynn app. Let me turn this down. I hope you guys can hear me still. Hope you guys can hear me. But anyways, this is the first thing you're going to see when you come on the app. It's going to be the video section. And what you do is you watch the video. You scroll down to the next one and you let it load. And you have to watch one of six. You have to watch 6 videos altogether. Once it loads, where the money sign is, once it loads, you get points. So I got 1 point for that. Then you scroll to the next one.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines.
And you just go to the next one. And once the video's done, you go to the next one. If it pauses while you're watching the video, just go to the next one. Anyways.
You know when you go to a restaurant on the weekends, it gets busy, they start a waiting list, they start calling out names. They say like, Dufresne, party of 2. Table ready for
So
Dufresne, party of 2.
So you just go to the next one. To be honest with you, these are videos from TikTok. So if you watch TikTok, this is a lot on TikTok. Again. Remember, the fortune one normally it gives you a lot of points. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
I found your vibe, and I found my high. Let's touch the sky. I'ma change your life. Let me know.
Go to the next one. If you find that the video is repeating itself, it means you need to go to the next one. I hope you guys know that. So, see, I earned 1 point. So now we're going to go over to the gift thing here. I have 842 points. And that is equivalent to 8 cents. Okay, so I already redeemed today. You can only redeem your points and convert them to your balance once a day. And you need to make sure that you're logging in for 30 consecutive days consistently, or else your balance is going to be cleared, which means if you have like $5 in your balance, it's going to get cleared if you're not logging in on a daily basis. So if you log in once every other day at least, as long as you're logging in, you'll be fine. So I joined this app on May 14th, and I was able to withdraw 30 cents to see if it cashed out, and I did, and I showed you guys proof of that. And here, if you invite 5 of your friends, you get 110 points. If you watch videos, you get points. And so that's how this app works. So I hope that answered your question of if the videos load. They do load by themselves. But once you see that the video is repeating itself, you need to scroll down to the next one. But the video does load, you don't have to click on it or anything. But if it starts to load by its reload or repeat, you need to go to the next one. That was wrong. These are really cool videos. I'm not gonna lie, they're really cool. But they start to repeat themselves before the next one. I hope you guys like that app. It's a really good app. It does pay. So you can withdraw from the app. I've already withdrawn 30 cents. So far, that's all I was able to withdraw, but I'll keep you guys updated and make payment-proof videos if I withdraw more. So that's basically it. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Also, I'll have a couple of free gifts I'll be leaving in the description below for you to check out. Take care, you guys.